Hello, good day. Welcome to my channel. Last week on my blog, I did drop a task for every one of us to look into it. And as you can see on the screen, you have the task on the screen. I'll be able to solve it, and here is the answer. I'll put you through how we got this answer. First, let's look at the first task saying consider the data structure as a dictionary. Number one, give a new dictionary that contains the first 5 male as key and assign the following 5 values, that is the prices, to the key, that is the become value. The price is 10, 5, 8, 12, 5 becomes prices to the individual keys we have here. So what we did the first time, we have the dictionary. Let me take out the dictionary. I'll get it out of it. So for you to see, I'll open a new interpreter, a new file, sorry, a new file for you to see code. Then I paste it here. Now, sorry, I love using the interpreter mode, the Python shell. Let me make use of Python shell. Using the Python shell, good. Then I paste the dictionary. That is the dictionary. So when we have the menu dictionary, as you can see on the screen, comprised of meal one, you have spaghetti, and just the other way around. Then the other thing I'll do is to pick the prices. I put it in a list. Put it in a list, the prices, and I have these as the prices. I have these as the prices. So then using the dictionary, dictionary menu dot items, it returns a tuple for me, a tuple of key and the value. So menu dot items, not item. You return the tuple of the key and the value, the key and the value. So I want the first 5 keys in the dictionary. I want to assign prices to them. I'll make use of the length of the price. So this is what I did. I got my code. I'll explain the code for you, and you make use of this comprehension, and this is just it. This is just it. Making use of this comprehension. Making use of this comprehension, I start from the length of prices. So let me do it so that you can see it. Then I'm introducing what? Through prices. So prices and what I have there is what? The length of the list, to give me the length of the list, and the length of the list is what? 5. So I want a range, so that I have a range of the length of list. So a range of 5 gives me from 0 to 4. So what I have, I say for I in this. So then what do I need? I need the first tuple, and also that is the meal, and the price. I'll attach price to the mail. So like I have it here, you see for items of values, the value, because menu dot value give me the price, the values in the list form. So I go through it. On one I'll have menu dot values, and I'll pick R or that menu dot value because it's a list. Then also I'll pick what the prices are. Then I've gotten a new dictionary with, oh, I have an error here just because I missed the keyword list here to make it in a list. Good. So I have the price, the new dictionary price, it's called list. You see, it gives me the dictionary of, what? Dictionary of So you see it here, the spaghetti has been assigned the price of 10, just like that, according to the prices we have in the price list. Thank you very much for your time. In the next video, we'll be answering the part 2 of this task, which asks us to create a JSON object. Thank you very much. Please do like, comment on the video. You can also share the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, do well by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.